Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a crypto wallet in JumpTask. First, ensure you are signed into your JumpTask account on the website, as wallet connections are typically done there. Next, locate your profile or settings, then click on the Add a Wallet for Payouts or Connect Wallet option. You will then select your chosen crypto wallet and follow the simple on-screen instructions to securely link it. JumpTask supports popular wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Binance Wallet. Additionally, you can connect any crypto wallet that is compatible with Wallet Connect. It is crucial to ensure your wallet is configured to the correct network. JumpTask primarily operates on the Binance Smart Chain, Celo, and Polygon networks, so switch from Ethereum if it is your default. If you encounter issues, first ensure your wallet application is fully updated. Confirm that your wallet is connected to the correct network, like Binance Smart Chain, Celo, or Polygon, as Ethereum is not used for JMPT. Always approve all connection and signature requests that appear in your wallet. Also, try disabling any other browser wallet extensions to prevent potential conflicts during the connection process. Connecting your crypto wallet to JumpTask unlocks several benefits. You can easily withdraw your earned JMPT tokens and even stake them directly on the platform. A linked wallet ensures you have full access to all JumpTask features and a smooth experience. Remember to always keep your wallet's recovery phrase extremely secure and never share it with anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.